Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we're going to be showing you guys what this 2-pack charger adapter looks like. So this is for your iPhone. So it's a Type-C to the iPhone connector, and you can use that with all different Apple devices as well. So what you do is you take your Type-C port and you plug this in, and now this would get plugged into your wall outlet, and then this gets plugged into your Apple device, so your iPhone or pods or other devices. And as you guys can see, they provide you with a long cable, and it's a 2-pack, so that way you can actually plug this somewhere that's kind of far out of the way and charge your device. So that's a plus. I mean, I know you guys can't see, the full length of it, but it is really, really far. Charge your device fast and not have to worry about the plug being too far away.